Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to resize in SketchUp. Alright, it is pretty easy to do. As you can see here, I have an object. What we're going to do to resize this object is just basically use this tool right here, which is a scale. Alright, click on it, and as you can see, you can go ahead and use these squares right here. For example, this one is the center point. Move it up, or if you want to make it wider from this point right here, just move it up again. All right, now for example, you want to move just one side or resize one side. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use our selector tool, then double click on the object. All right, say for example, we're just going to want to move this part right here. Just go ahead and click on it. All right, then go to these tools right here and select push pull. All right, click on the object and drag it outside or inside if you want to. And as you can see, when I drag it outside, the object will grow bigger as well. Let's say, for example, a tube right here. Let's go make a circle. Circle. Make a tube. Push, pull. All right, as you can see, we just made a tube right here. Now to scale it up, as you can see here, let's move closer. All right. Then orbit. As you can see, when we select like for example this part right here from the outside, use the scale, drag it. All right, as you can see, it is pretty easy to do. And there you have it. That's how you resize in SketchUp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.